Hey guys, so we are in Unit 5, Lesson 1, and this unit has to deal with irrigation and watering. And irrigation, if you don't know, that is just basically the process of getting water to crops in a large area, how they do that. If you've ever driven across, the Panhandle, West Texas area, you've probably seen something like this in the fields. This is a large irrigation system. Okay, it's called a center pivot. So a pivot, it's going to kind of go in a circle. Okay, so it sits here and it's going to go all the way around, and those are little sprinklers on the bottom of it, and it's going to spray water to those crops. This is used in areas of the state and country where water is not readily available, but they don't have as much rainfall. I am in North Texas. We do not use irrigation. We don't irrigate crops because our yearly rainfall total is enough. So it just depends on the area. So irrigation has been around forever. They used to do it by carrying buckets. Now we do it by pipes and pumps and systems. So here's a big pump that you might see with an irrigation system. So this irrigation system's underground, or it's connected to this one over here. You can see the central pivot. There's a lot of different types. Irrigation can be large scale. It can be small scale. If you are watering your garden with a water hose, that can be you're irrigating your garden. So irrigation is no less important than it was 10,000 years ago. It's super important. Digging a ditch to flood fields with water is still used in many parts today. So that's what it talks about here. You need to come up with a better way to get water to your fields. What do? Dig an irrigation ditch. So the next, you need to come up with a smarter and better way to get water to your plants. So rearrange the way the water, when it rains, goes down to those plants. Okay, dig a ditch for the water to go down into it. That's another type of irrigation. There's lots of different types, and we're going to talk about them in this unit.